That's the question.
I'm going hoodie.
Have you stepped outside?
No, but I feel like it's going to get colder as we go down the road. She's cold. Well, me and Ty made it to Powder House. Here comes the rest of the slowpokes turning in right here. I hope they don't block us in, because there's not that many parking spots over there and they're headed towards our bikes.
Yeah.
They're pulling U-turns. They ain't gonna block us in, thank God. Hey Pop, this mannequin kind of looks like you.
Handsome.
Yeah, you can say that.
Charming.
You might want to come around here and look at it.
Devilish wit. One eye going this way, one eye going that way.
Are you going to be able to go through that tunnel? Make it I can blow stuff up.
I believe you can go up there as it is.
Okay.
You can get up there right now, right? Like you just got to pay a shitload of money.
I really don't know. I don't remember.
Huh. 2 miles on that one.
The real
Hey, good looking.
Hey, what are you doing there, sexy? I thought there's a way to zoom on this thing, but
Well, you messed that up.
yeah. Alright, just stop. And I'll start over. Yeah, apparently there is no zoom on this.
Probably not. You probably have to lens lock it and zoom it from there.
Or use your phone.
Or use your phone.
Deadwood is about as packed can get now. The free bike parking, we found 2 empty spots. My bike, Ty's bike. And I guess the old folks found their spots down there somewhere. Outlaw Square here in Deadwood. That bike right there, that is Blockhead's Born Free build. Wish we could get up close, but it looks pretty sweet from here. Getting ready to load up, head to the ZZ Top concert. We're gonna drive the truck. One perk of trailer in is we got a truck, so that way nobody has to drink and ride.
Today's my birthday.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Birthday, Mike.
1 or 2
Hell yeah.
with a 0 on the end of it.
As soon as you walk in the Buffalo Chip, motorcycles as art. Like a little shovelhead Evo Shivo.
Good place to spend it. It's 3 rounds.
Alright, we just met Pro Monkey here at the Buffalo Chip. Gave us these sick koozies and a sticker. Shout out Pro Monkey. I think his ZZ Top concert's gonna get wet tonight.
Because they haven't come up on stage. They have not seen how many people are out here. And all you people that are rock stars, give yourselves a round of applause for weathering out this storm. Give yourselves, you are the rock stars for the night. All right, make some noise. Help me out here. I can feel it.
The final boss of High Vis.
Water. You drinking water on his birthday.
Damn.
God almighty. I drank a lot of beer.
Alright, we're fighting the zoo, getting out of Buffalo Chip after the ZZ Top concert. And we almost got struck by lightning. Ty managed to catch it on video.
I did. I'm proud of myself.
We are soaking wet, but I'd say it was probably worth it for that show.
Somebody nice enough to let me out.
Not a chance. Nobody's going to be nice enough to let you out. Kia Soul guy is probably cheeks clenched trying to get out of here. He's probably regretting every decision he's ever made that led him to this moment. It is just a mud pit.
Pretty much what it is. There you go.
postings are fucking sick.